Hello and welcome. Now that your basic settings and integrations have been completed, you are now ready to begin building pages, and you'll want to understand the basic dashboard. When you're inside and logged in and you click Add New, you're going to see the Cookbook Builder process or the Classic Funnel Builder. Now if you click Start Cookbook, what ClickFunnels has done is it has built out entire funnels based on a particular niche. So you'll see that here done by industry. You'll see them here done by purpose. And you can choose one based on which one fits you closest. Now the thing to understand about the cookbook, it's not only the structure of the page, but it's also the research as to what may convert best. So for example, if you want to generate leads, you can click this link and then you can choose a particular goal. Perhaps that you want contact information. That'll narrow the number of cookbooks down. And then you can choose one based on a particular niche. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click Lead Magnet Funnel. You'll have insight on what the funnel is. For instance, you'll have a lead magnet page, a thank you page. You'll have free templates that you can choose from. And then you'll have paid templates also. So you can start the process inside of one of the cookbooks by clicking the template. And then you can click Get Funnel. What that means then that ClickFunnels will then put this into your dashboard. And then you'll see the two funnel steps, the opt-in page and the thank you page, just as the directions stated. If you go back to your dashboard, you'll notice that you are now using 2 of your 100 allotted pages, and you're now using one entire funnel. If you want to begin editing and working with that funnel, you can click this Edit button, and then you can begin editing this page. Now you can come back to the dashboard and click Add New again. This time we're going to click Create New Funnel, and this is the traditional, more classic funnel builder. And then you'll be able to work through the questions in a different way. So for example, you can say that you want to collect emails as a goal. You'll then write in the name of the page. Your group tag is a way of grouping your pages together. And until you have more than one page, you may not necessarily know exactly how to use this, but if you have a general category that you want this page to go in, you can do that here. And once you do that, you'll notice that this funnel, according to ClickFunnels, has a landing page and a thank you page. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Build Funnel. Now you'll notice that the opt-in page is now highlighted. And so what we can do is we can then choose one of the templates that we feel best fits what we're trying to do. Perhaps we want this template. And that will then become our opt-in page. We can then choose a thank you page. When we click the thank you link, we'll be taken back to the templates, and then we'll see thank you page templates, and we can choose one of the templates that we'd like to work with. And what we can basically do is we can begin to edit and add to these pages in order to use as part of our marketing. So that is the way that the basic dashboard works. It gives you choices in terms of what kind of page you want to create. It also gives you templates to work with so that you can start from something that is already present as opposed to trying to create an entire page on your own. To get back to the funnel dashboard, you're going to highlight this menu, and then you're going to click Browse Funnels. That's going to take you back to the funnel dashboard, and you're going to see the 2 funnels. You'll notice now that we have our tag here. It says opt-in pages that we created. We're using 2 steps, and this page is now ready to be edited. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.